Hey you guys, I'm back for another video. As you see, I just made this wig and I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how I do some beach waves, loose curls, body wave, whatever you want to call it. Just something quick and easy to do to your wig or your real hair to give you a nice flowy look. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. So this hair is actually Mayvenn hair. You can find this hair on the link on my page. I believe it's in the description bar. If not, it's on my Instagram page. It's www.naturaleedriven.mayvenn.com. I am in the process of finding another hair vendor, and I'll let you guys know that once I find it. But this is Mayvenn hair. This hair has been used prior to today, and my client did color this herself, and yeah, so we're using it for a wig. I believe this was either loose wave or body wave. I believe the longest length is 22, so I think she got two 22s, a 20-inch and an 18-inch. She has 4 bundles plus a lace closure, which I'll show you up close in detail once we get up there. And to start off with the curls, I did go in and use a little Bio Silk serum and some Mazzani Thermosmooth the Shine spray. So these are just going to kind of get rid of these flyaways and get it ready for curling. And one thing about virgin hair is it imitates human hair, it imitates our real hair, so you can get away with using a little bit more oils on it than you would use on, you know, typical pack hair or whatever weave. So yeah, so as you see, I smooth in some Bio Silk, and then we're just going to start section by section with our curling. I'm using this curling iron. It's from Hot Tools. I believe it's either a 1-inch iron or a 1.5-inch iron. And I'm also going to go in with a light hold spray. This is the Effortless All Day 24-hour holding spray. So when I do my beach waves, I like to curl everything going backwards. So on the right side, I'm going to flip it, the curling iron going backwards. On the left side, I'm going to do the same. right, now for this closure. It's already plucked. We plucked it when she got it installed the first time. And so pretty much, the only product I'm going to use to lay it down, get rid of these flyaways, is the Care Styling Wax Stick. This is my favorite wax stick to use for sewing, weaves, whatever.